Bendigo, finally.
There's the Murray River. It's us at World's End Reserve. They even put on a rainbow, which is pretty cool. I come out of Britain and I shall return. So we actually see them here, just out of Uluru, and we've come to visit the giant red gum. Just left Corn, we're heading down towards Port Augusta. We're following the Pitchy Ritchie railway line. So just passing through Port Augusta and having our KFC fix before we go up the centre. I think the next one might be Alice Springs, so I'll have to wait and see. A quick stop at Rangers View Rest Area. There's a few tables over there. You can see Iron Knob, I think, across there. At Woomera, having a look at all the exhibits they've got here. There's a lot of crashed bits and pieces over here. This is our mulga camp, just north of Glen Dambo, in the middle of frickin' nowhere.
Coming up to the emergency flying doctors strip on the road here, 150k out of Cooperpedy. This is where the flying doctors come in. Bendigo. This was how the open miners dug their mines in my day.
What are you doing there, Joey? You even got opals. I reckon that's a full keg of beer. So we're trying to get to Johnson's Geodetic Station, which is up over there. But we've got to go through a couple of gates first, and we'll see how we go. Thank you, Joey. Being a cartographer surveyor, it's actually quite important that I got to see that, and it's just there. That would be probably the best one you've got, that one there, I reckon.
No doubt.
So we're on our way out to Uluru to have a look at Uluru and have a ride around on our push bikes. She got up here so that we can see Uluru over there. Joey's taken some photos and we've parked down there. A little bit of a climb up here, but well worth it. What do you reckon, Joey?
Yeah, cold though.
It is a bit cold, isn't it? We're getting chased by segways. So Joey, we made it around the bottom of Ayers Rock, Uluru. I must admit, last time I was here, this is years ago, I actually climbed it. And I actually reckon the experience this time of going around the bottom was much, much better. And like when you're walking it, you're just sort of going up and one step after the other. But to ride around and stop where you want to see things, that was really good. Did you like it?
Yep, it was wonderful.
So we're getting ready for the sunset. Got the tripods ready, got Uluru ready. We've got Joey ready here. We're cooking some tea. This is the start of my rim walk. If I don't come back in a few hours, please send out search parties. So I've just come through this cutting and you can just feel the wind coming up here. It's just so cool after doing that uphill climb. This is our second walk for the day.
That's your second walk.
It's my second walk for the day. It's Jo's first walk for the day because she slept in.
No, I didn't.
Oh, well, you were in bed when I left. We're doing the Kings Creek walk, which is a 2 kilometre, 1 hour return, which will go right up the centre of Kings Canyon. And then, look at that sculpture there. She's that tired that she's become stone.
I'm still alive.
Yeah,
that was an easy walk.
It was an easy walk. We actually leave Kings Canyon Resort. We do the Morini Loop Road. We'll have to prepare for that. But you've just got to keep your wits about you.
I think we've hit the bitumen.
Time to air up.
So Graham's airing up the last tyre.
I tell you what, it's pretty good when you've got a little stool to sit on. It saves your back.
I had a look in the van. It wasn't too bad actually.
This is Ellery Gorge Big Hole. We've got a few people down here today having a swim.
It's cool.
That's cool.
Not too bad.
Oh, good. So we're just coming into Alice Springs. That's a beast. Oh, hello. Yeah.
Take the rig.
You take the rig, are you? So that's where I see. I've got two pedals there, and Joe has to sit right over here, so we don't have to touch each other. And this is our bed in the back. I think it'll be nice and close tonight, Joanne. Squashed. Yes.
I'll sleep in there, you can sleep somewhere else.
I don't think so.
You can sleep in.
You can actually walk all the way through these carriages, and it's quite remarkable the quality and the wood that they had in the old days, and the fact that they've actually got a wooden stove as well.
Well, we're in the East McDonald Ranges now, and we're coming into Ross River Resort.
This is Love's Homestead at Ross River Resort. Oh, hello. It has automatic doors. Thank you. So this is the original homestead. This is where we are. We're unpowered, but just check out those views. They're just amazing. We're actually at the Altunga Government Works, and we're actually in the car park here. Oh, who's that? You look like a picture. You've been framed.
Coming into the Barrow Creek World War II site, and there's already a few vans here. We're at Devil's Marbles, and we're doing the Marjanju walk, which is basically a walk around. Well, it's 10:41. It's the 24th of May. It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday, Joe!
Thank you. And we're coming into Daly Waters. Hopefully we'll get a spot because...
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed, because we're early enough, we thought.
Which is, and you got that really good territory weather.
No. You're not going to bite me.
It's Joe's birthday today
And
too.
Joe's birthday. Good on you, Joe. Where you from?
Bendigo.
Bendigo.
Good old Bendigo. Bendigo pottery.
Yes.
Yeah, well, thank you. No doubt you'll get sung to tonight, Joe. And whatever else happens on your birthday.
Yep. That's pretty cool. As long as it doesn't happen at 2 a.m. in the morning. So we're walking down to the plunge pool. Joe's got her noodles. Hey, good job. So at the wharf at Darwin, here's a couple of, let's say, tugs or fly boats. But check out the exhaust pipes of those devils.
We're going to check out Berry Springs.
It's put in the park corner. Hey, there you go.
Rock in the middle. Just be careful of your feet. You go pretty fast.
Oh, this is like a ride.
It is. Watch the rocks.
We're at Wangi Falls. So doing some practice swimming here.
Probably easier going down than up,
I know.
but it's okay. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And
Looking
so,
forward to the sunset.
yeah, this is our last day here. We head off down to Catherine tomorrow.
Catch up with Wendy and David.
Yes. Who could this be over here? The sisters are together. When? Where are you going? So we're off to do the Catherine River tour, gorge
Gorge
tour. How's it going?
Hello.
Then washed away, leaving the red ozone, which is a red soft rock. It's called hematite. You find it in riverbeds, and saltwater crocs like to make a nest from grass, debris.
We're coming into the Western Australia Northern Territory quarantine. checkpoint. And now we're just going to have a look at Lake Argyle.
We're on our way to our restaurant on the Gibb River Road.
And we're going to Zebedee Springs.
I found a whale. There's a Zebedee whale. So we're just going across the Pentecost River. Yay!
Pull up here, eh?
Yeah, do it
Like
here.
a bloody good spot.
Yeah, let's do it. Here we are at the Ivanhoe crossing. We stayed the night at Mary Pool, which is about 108 kilometres west of Halls Creek. So we're doing the Fairfield Leopold Road up to Wildana Gorge.
I feel like a dinosaur's going to come running out soon.
So we're just heading down into Tunnel Creek. Well, we're halfway through the tunnel. We've got roots coming out of the roof up there. And that's where we came from. And that's where we're going. Yep. About to do the Windjana Gorge walk, which is straight down there. And I'd say that there's been quite a few people who've come down here. Looking at us, his little tail's gone up. Okay, Bell's Gorge, 29 kilometres. So we're here at Roebuck Bay with just about everybody else in Broome, waiting for the staircase to the moon to actually start happening. So that's the take. We're at Cable Beach. We're going to see the sun set. Probably got about another hour, 3/4 of an hour to go. So here's our first camel train.
So we've just come off the Broome Road and we're heading up to Cape Leveque. We're going to James Price Point.
So we're at James Price Point. We've got a few vans around, gentlemen fishing there. He's a good size.
How's that one?
That's a beauty.
We're heading down past Roebucks and we're heading out to Barnhill Station.
They've got it pretty well sorted out here. Oh, they need a man's help.
It doesn't even attach to that. Okay. No.
To the beach. And then you've got fisher people. We walk right down there.
Go on to 80 Mile Beach Caravan Park.
Powered side, unpowered 35. Well, that sounds pretty good. Look at that beach. So the tide's gone right out there, you can see it. And it's exposed all of these shells. There's heaps of shells. So this is the final product the girls have done. Oh, look at that. Good job, Ben. We're heading off to towards Port Hedland today. We're heading in a westerly direction. We'll probably restock at Port Hedland and then we head down to a free camp before we go on to Karratha. I think it's Eel River Camp. Joe's right. What did I say? Well, it's a creek in the dry season and it's a river in the wet season. Anyway, we're off to Karratha. Oh, Portobello. Maitland River. There we go. There's quite a bit of water in it.
Yeah, very good.
Good job, Joey. is our camp on the Ashburton River. We're just at 4 Mile Pool, which is very close to the old Onslow Township. We're at the old Onslow ruins of the township. This is all that's left of the courthouse and the police quarters here. We've got the jail over here. Pilbara Station. Hopefully we're going to have a day on the beach at 5 Finger Reef. Ningaloo Coast, Coral Bay. So these are the fingers here, going out. And look at this one here. That looks like a nice tailor's. Ah, I wonder who put this here. Ah, it's OZLAPN. Before we head back out here to the Quoba Blowhole Camp.
We found a spot. We got here really early. We were lucky. This is our view. It's our setup.
So tell us about your shirt. Is that your squid shirt?
That's the squidding shirt.
And your squid and hat?
Yes.
Well, you must actually catch squid.
We do catch squid.
I've got a clean shirt and there's no squid yet. We're just coming into Carnarvon from the southern side, and we've got the Space Museum up here on our right. Are you worried?
T-minus 3 minutes and counting. T-minus 3. We are go with all elements of the mission at this time. Seconds and counting.
Smiling in a minute.
No. Lucky I'm wearing my NASA t-shirt. Now we're heading for Shark Bay
And
Denham. Yep. And might even get to see Shelley Beach on the way through. That'll be good. So this is Shelley Beach, and there's just heaps of shells. And we're off to see the dolphins at Monkey Mire. So I believe there's a little calf too. That'll be great to see. What do you reckon, Joey?
Yeah. The volunteer campground hosts are Graham and Joe.
Paid your camp fees yet, guys? That's okay. Today's takings. Well done. Welcome to Hawk's Head. And it's a pretty wet day, eh, Joey?
It's wet.
It's very freaking wet. It's an opportunity to look around Gero and have KFC and stock up at Aldi. You going, Joey?
We're going through Dongra.
Yes.
And we're heading for Cliff Heads.
Yep. See why they call this Cliff Head. That looks pretty good. You actually enjoyed that, Joe?
It was so yummy.
Yep. No, it was really good. Thanks, guys. So this is the actual pay point, Sandy Cape Info Bay. The next 2 days are going to be really good. We've actually decided to use this area for our dining room.